Most beginner navbars look fine on desktop, but completely break on mobile. In this video, I will build a clean, simple navbar using only HTML and CSS. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe in my channel and leave a comment below, and let's get started. This is the navbar we're building, clean, simple, and ready for any portfolio website. First, let's build the HTML structure of our project. Before we start, you should add these lines. The first is to link HTML file with CSS file, and the second is to link our project with the Google Buttons font. This one is optional. In the body, we are going to add nav tag, then div with class logo, and we are going to add the list tag with 3 links inside it. If you check your browser now, you will see this result. It's bad, right? To style it, we should move to the CSS code. With this star, we select all HTML elements, so box sizing border box, margin and padding 0, and font family Buttons. Next, the navbar element. Display with the value flex. Justify content with the value space between to create space between elements horizontally, and align self to set elements in the center vertically. We will add a color to our logo and a weight, and this is more style to our navbar. And this is the result. It's a nice navbar with hover effects. This is part 1 of your portfolio website. In the next video, we will build the hero section, so don't forget to like my videos and subscribe in my channel if you want clean, beginner friendly web development tutorials.